Okay, this is property 207 rear, South 4th Street. Gives you a look from outside, coming in. Got a really nice off-street parking and everything here. So we enter in through this, turn on your lights. You got your outside light. Now we walk up the stairs. We're gonna go to the right, and to the right we should enter right into the living room. So we enter into the living room, and 2 feet in gives you an idea of what the living room's like. Turn on the light, ceiling fan, operational. Curtains complete. Nice hardwood laminate floor. You have electric heat zoned in each bedroom, doorbell. You also have, I might as well show you this real quick, access to the attic. And the reason why this place is in demand is it is super duper insulated. To give you an idea, it's like a space shuttle headed upstairs here. We've got all this. This is about an equivalent to an R11 reflective foil, all on the upper side. Then we have I think it's R50, but it might be R38. But you have some storage up here too, so you can put storage up here. It stays nice and cool up here in the winter time, and keeps the heat from coming back down in the summer. So the place stays really cool in the summer downstairs and warm in the winter. So as you can see also, it's a gas fireplace. You have the option to call in the gas company and having that hooked up. That's available too. All the bedroom and living room here have air conditioning. So here we go into the bedroom, and you have a carpeted floor in here. Give you an idea. 2 windows, blinds are here, curtain rods are here set up, air conditioning, small closet, your power source and breaker box are in here too. You got cable that runs in from here. Give you a perspective from the other side, another angle. This room measures approximately, I'd say 12 by 13 feet. With that little bump out, again, heat is electric in here, zoned separately. So now, from the bedroom looking into the living room, you've got an option to look at that way. I like those curtains. My wife did that. Thanks, Deb. And now, we'll shut this door. So we came right. Now, if we had gone left immediately, we would have entered into the kitchen area. And so the kitchen, it's very quaint. Ceiling fan, ceiling tile, ceiling. Relatively new countertop, Formica. Small stove. Again, this is a smaller apartment. Curtains come complete. The other thing that's really nice, a lot of people really enjoy, is a full washer, stackable dryer. Refrigerator. Let's go into the bathroom. Bathroom was remodeled a couple years ago. So you got modernly outfitted efficiency toilet, bathtub. It's a little bit older. It's in good shape. Windows to the second floor out is obscure glass. Again, separate heat for in the bathroom. Here's a look this way from the kitchen. Gives you an idea of what you got going on. It's not hardwood floor in the kitchen, it's vinyl. It's real good, durable vinyl. This door here, it's a separate entrance. It's kind of a vestibule. You can hang your jackets and whatnot in here. We provided that. Got outside curtains coming here too. Let's see if I can get this open quick. There you go. You have outside looking down to the back. Small porch. If those of you have to smoke, you can smoke outside, not inside. So you have access to the yard. This whole yard, that parking lot up front, is part of the property. That house there is part of the property. And then you would come down, off-street parking would be in and on the other side of that hedge, walk down around here. So that pretty much concludes the property at 207 127 rear South 4th Street, which is an upstairs apartment. If you have any other further questions, follow the instructions on the YouTube file. Appreciate you reviewing my site, and hopefully you can be a tenant of mine in the near future. Thank you.